Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Subaru Outback versus Mazda CX-50. We'll dive into their core differences, starting with their design philosophies and target audiences. The Outback is known for its rugged capability and family-friendly utility, while the CX-50 aims for a more upscale, adventurous aesthetic. Understanding these foundational aspects will help you see which vehicle aligns best with your lifestyle and driving needs. When it comes to performance, both vehicles offer compelling options. The Outback's standard engine provides 182 horsepower, with a turbocharged option boosting it to 260 horsepower. The CX-50 counters with a 187 horsepower base engine and a turbocharged variant delivering 256 horsepower. Both come standard with all-wheel drive, making them capable in various conditions. The Outback typically offers slightly more ground clearance, appealing to those who venture further off-road. Inside, both the Outback and CX-50 offer comfortable cabins, but with different vibes. The Outback prioritizes practicality and spaciousness, boasting 32.5 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats. The CX-50, while still practical with 31.4 cubic feet, leans into a more driver-focused, premium interior design. Both come equipped with modern infotainment systems and a suite of safety features, ensuring a connected and secure driving experience for everyone. Ultimately, choosing between the Outback and CX-50 depends on your priorities. The Outback excels in rugged utility, cargo capacity, and overall value, especially for families or outdoor enthusiasts. The CX-50, on the other hand, offers a more refined driving experience, a premium interior, and a sportier aesthetic. Both are excellent choices, but they cater to slightly different tastes. Before you go, make sure to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.